I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Today price approached a K zone I'd marked earlier. There were several fake spikes. I didn't rush. I waited for the week and entered after. Price moved in my favor almost instantly. That's why I love 1 minute instant feedback.
Here we will open a trade for a decrease. We open it along the trend line. Now our signal is confirmed by the area of exit from the overbought zone. And also by the trend line, the touch of the upper moving average of the channel, a good point of contact.
Want to earn over $1,000 a week in trading? I teach my community for free, real strategies, real results, and daily high accuracy signals. Join my Sawyer community now and see how it's done.
A new local high is forming, and after this upward price pullback,
Sometimes I enter and instantly see red. Early that would shake my confidence. Now I let the system play out. No panic exists. If the plan is valid, the stop will protect me. Emotion doesn't belong between entry and exit. Each zone tells a story. Who won last time, who's defending now. I look for confirmation, not perfection. Even a small reaction can guide a big decision. That's why I always let the chart speak first, and I simply follow its language.
we are opening a sell trade focusing on the ADX indicator. Its value is around 41, not higher than 45, which means the trend shouldn't change yet. If ADX goes above 45 or 60, that's when the trend might shift, but for now it's still downward. After a flat phase, the market's turning bearish again, so we are opening with the trend. Less than 20 seconds left, the movement looks perfect. And once again, the trade closes in profit.
When I first opened the 1 minute chart, it looked like pure chaos. The price moved every second, candles flashing non-stop. But that's where I learned what control really means. You see every heartbeat of the market in real time. Mistakes happen instantly and lessons come just as fast. Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown and start trading with knowledge, not luck.